Hi friends, today we will be discussing about the chronic bronchitis. This disease comes under the umbrella term that is the chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Now, suppose this is the one part of the lung. This is the trachea. These are the bronchi. These are the further get smaller. Now normal process of lung is to inhalation of O2 and to exhalation of CO2, means the gas exchange. With this inhalation of O2, the irritants enters the bronchi in the lungs, through the bronchi in the lungs. So these are the bronchi. Here is the layer which produces the mucus. When the irritants enters the bronchi, it produces the mucus. The irritants mainly are smoking means cigarette smoke, pollutants, dust, and the allergens. So for a chronic time, because it is a chronic bronchitis, over a long period of time, there is excess production of mucus. So after some time, there is a blockage over here. So no gas exchange takes place. This we called as the chronic bronchitis. For more understanding, we will take the part of the bronchi. Let us consider this is a bronchi and this is the lumen, the pipe through which the gas exchange takes place. These are the smooth muscles and these are the layers through which the mucus production occurs. Mucus production occurs through this layer. As the allergens enter through this, the mucus producing layers start producing the mucus, more and more mucus. And when the excess of irritants enters in the lumen, there is the increase in the mucus production. So after some time, for a chronic period, there is a blockage. So it must be look like that. This is a cross section, this is a lumen, and these are the mucus, the lumen clogged off with the mucus. Now we will focus on the signs and symptoms of chronic bronchitis. The patient may be producing enough excess amount of cough. He will feel the fatigue. He will feel the shortness of breath. He will feel he may be having fever or chills and the chest discomfort for a longer time. That is the chronic time. Chronic period of time. So these are the signs and symptoms of chronic bronchitis. Now we will focus on the investigations of chronic bronchitis. how the chronic bronchitis will diagnose. The first one is the PFT, that is the pulmonary function test. The second one is the X-ray. In X-ray there may be excess amount of mucus will be over there, and the third one is the CT scan. Now we will move on to the treatment or the medical management of chronic bronchitis. The first one is the bronchodilators. The bronchodilators mainly does that the dilates the bronchi of the patient. The example is theophylline. Depending on the condition of the patient, the doctor prescribes the medications. The second one is the corticosteroids, which reduces the inflammation, and the example is the dexamethasone. The third one is the O2 therapy, and if the condition becomes more severe or worse than the then the lung transplant is necessary. Thank you guys. Hope this information you will find useful. Thank you.